The rapid growth of Malaysia's online community raises the level of exposure to risks. These risks can potentially cause major harm to the nation.
Cybersecurity is a set of technologies and processes designed to protect computers, network, program and data from attack, damage or unauthorized access. This issue is increasing day by day due to the continued improving the technologies. Hacking become more complicated. For example, in 2013 until 2014, hackers broke into Yahoo. This irresponsible individual can find out the personal information of Yahoo account users at that time. This action has endangered all the 3 million users of Yahoo account. The reason why we choose this issue is to give information and educate public about cybersecurity. The number of mobile phone users and facilities of internet access everywhere is very risky to be easily hacked by this irresponsible individual. And now, parents give children who are still underage gadget as long as they do not disturb them to work. So, the possibility for their account information to be hacked is very high now. So, by choosing this issue, we can give knowledge to the community to be careful when access a website or network or upload information about the personnel to organization and also on online. Second, cybersecurity can also affect organization and government. So cybersecurity has a significant positive with organization and also government. Nowadays, most businesses are starting to use innovation and technology in their business to facilitate their business and increase their profit. So they're possible to get affected by the hackers or maybe their competitor who use a hacker service to hack their competitor and get information about what is their weakness, financial statement, employees data, marketing strategies and others. So this fact can give effect to the business and also government. Overall, these issues can impact society, organization and also government.
Okay, for this report, I will explain about problem statement which is issue. First issue is the cybersecurity where when attacker first exploit vulnerabilities in the bank funds transfer initiative environment because of the lack of knowledge and efficiency. Second issue is cybersecurity in bank. Nowadays, the bank runs many services that have a large amount of information and detail, such as credit card, ATM, and others. How can this cyber attack happen in the bank? This is because increasing the number of online banking transactions. Thirdly is cyber security improvement, which is development in the relevant regulation concerning cyber security. The dynamic and rapidly moving nature of cybersecurity become a significant recognition which is far too slow and considered as a benefit and might restrict the security.
Assalamualaikum. Next is the part for literature review, and my name is Eka Nur Azrindah binti Matano with a metric number A17A0080. Based on the issue we have picked, the author explained on cybersecurity as a threat that attempts to infiltrate or disrupt a computer network or system, and it usually targets individuals or businesses in an attempt to obtain sensitive information through online channels. Next is encompass, which is cybersecurity is included in technologies, processes and controls that are designed to protect systems, networks and data from cyber attacks. When it comes to studies, it's included cybersecurity, cyber information security, security threats and cyber threats. Next is the effect. The author stated that the impact to firms through the three main aspects of information security, which is confidentiality, integrity and availability, and few cyber attacks directly have an impact on enterprise systems such as phishing, which is data stealing. Then it is about bedeviling the mitigation measures. Some challenges bedeviling the mitigation measure were identified, such as non-implementation of recent technological advances aimed at curbing cyber crimes. The author also stated on factor that causes these challenges is the lack of skills and inexperience and not technically savvy on cybersecurity. And how to deal is by minimizing damage, strategy approach and also further research on cybersecurity. Thus, every article has made their point on what cybersecurity is and how to handle the issue related to it. Most of the journal author more emphasize on how to deal the problem arise in the aspect of government and lack of idea on the aspect of public awareness through mass media as well as TV shows.
My name is Fortuna Binti Madisa. My metric number is 17A0617. Okay, for the legislation history and rules for cybersecurity, actually we have few acts that established. Okay, firstly we have Sedition Act 1948, secondly Copyright Act 1987, thirdly Computer Crimes Act 1997, Communications and Multimedia Act 1998, Digital Signature Act 1997, and Strategic Trade Act 2010. Actually, in Malaysia, we do not have a standalone cybersecurity law, but a number of sporadic laws in this area to counter cyber crimes. These include Computer Crimes Act 1997, that's similar to UK's Computer Measures Act 1990, Communications and Multimedia Act 1998, Penal Code Copyright Act 1987, Personal Data Protection Act 2010, Digital Signature Act 1997, Strategic Trade Act 2010, Sedition Act 1948, and of course, we have case laws and other specific guidelines and policies. When we talk about cybersecurity, actually we have several types of cyber offense, which is relating to communications and multimedia industries, phishing, online harassment, online spreading of terrorist propaganda, facilitating delivery of weapons of mass destruction, electronic theft, failure of data users to secure personal data, and online defamation. Additionally, there are several legal compliance to be exercised. Some are strict, but some merely serve as guidelines. Firstly, Personal Data Protection Act 2010, compliance with PDPA Act 2010 is strictly imposed on all data users. There is registration requirement for data users in certain industries, failing which may expose them to criminal penalty with a maximum fine of 500,000 or up to 3 years in jail or both. Secondly, Digital Signatures Act 1997, compliance is also strict with all secure electronic transaction service providers. Thirdly, National Cybersecurity Policy. This is a national policy device to ensure compliance with information security standards in respect of information critical to national interest and security, and also potentially collapse the national economy.
Based on the issue of cybersecurity is as not official control over internet content in Malaysia. This is because in the Communication and Multimedia Act, it is stated that there is not provision in this act that can be understood as allowing the censorship of internet content. Therefore, all these activities are certainly not allowed by Islam and are contrary to Islamic ethics. However, there is impulsive buying or spontaneous buying online has become one of the culture in Western society nowadays, so many have to bear the burden of debt. This can be proven that other telecommunication technology have many advantages as well as disadvantages. Therefore, all these disadvantages can be more serious if it is abused. Since the introduction of cybersecurity, it has provided many benefits to mankind. However, many have also misused the cyber network.
These are the latest phenomena that have become commonplace in the life of user, administrator, and ever manager of information technology security system as well as the internet. Therefore, the issue of cybersecurity has been linked to ethics in the Islamic financial industry because it's able to eliminate all these unethical symptoms from reference.
The contract used in Islamic banking to cybersecurity issue is mudarabah contract. Mudarabah means an agreement between two parties in which they provide capital for other temporarily. Profit and loss are divided according to the ratio of profit and condition that have been agreed with them. In this mudarabah contract, the bank as mudarid who will provide fund withdrawal through crowdfunding platform. Application as mudarid through in blockchain technology. Furthermore, to confirm all transactions, the smart contract will be used during the transaction. From the diagram, it shows the flow of mudarabah contract when using crowdfunding platform. The bank as mudarid is responsible to disclosing all information regarding the transaction made, including the actual profit divide between Rabul Almal if it gain a return. However, despite having this conducive framework, there are also something that have been identified that can limit blockchain technology to take full advantage of its potential in crowdfunding platform. One of them is related to cybersecurity. This risk occurs in every financial sector, including Islamic banking. When Islamic banking institutions use blockchain technology, it will bear various risks on cybersecurity attack. This risk will occur in all areas of finance, which Islamic banking will suffer small and large loss due to violation of the cybersecurity.
In conclusion, cybersecurity plays an important role in protecting our sensitive data, personal information, health information, intellectual property, data, and government and industry information on systems that left and damage attempt by criminals and enemies. But nowadays, cybersecurity issues such as phone phishing, cyber attack, and ethical hacking are increased. These issues of cybersecurity give a hard impact on the physical world, which can endanger national security. Therefore, to reduce those issues, we need to make improvement and innovation in cybersecurity system. So our recommendation is to strengthen cybersecurity, where the government needs to increase the efficiency of exciting cybersecurity practitioners to further strengthen cybersecurity. This is to make the system more safe and efficiently in data system protection. The second is to increase public awareness on the prudent and ethical use of digital device. As we all know, Malaysian societies consists of various age groups. Due to the lack of knowledge and awareness, criminals will easily target them and causing loss of data, money, and so on. So that the government needs to implement various cybersecurity awareness program to provide exposure and education on the use of the internet, on the dangers of cyber threat and crime, including the National Cyber Ethics Initiative. Other recommendation is to increase number of cybersecurity experts of quality in the advance of Industry 4.0. The increasing new professional experts in cybersecurity as well as increased competitiveness in defending the country's cybersecurity, so that the government and other authorities need to make a good planning in order to help reduce cybersecurity problem issues in the future.